Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Now Testify Puddle Lamp Edition. Check it out. So, my friends over at Tesery.com reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to try one of our products? And they sent me over these puddle lights to show you guys. So, I'm struggling a bit here to get the original out, and my key tip is to use the pry from the short end. I'm doing it wrong here. That's why it took me so long. But you pry from the short edges, that's where the tabs are, and that will help pop those out super easy. Once you get it popped out, you just simply need to use the little tab. It's a little depression tab, and then pull the cord loose from the lens. Once you have the original lens unplugged, the window for that door will come down just a hair, and the power will go out. That's normal, it's fine. And once you plug in the new lens, you'll hear it come right back up. And here's my key tip with this step. Since I got the T logo, you want to make sure that the T logo is facing in the right direction. And so, just take a look at the floor and make sure that that is the proper side. Perfect. And as you can see, it actually looks pretty good even in my well-lit garage. We'll go ahead and feed in the excess cord up into the cavity and then reinsert the lamp. Here's the original lens. Hang on to that just in case. And as you can see, installed, looks great, focus is perfect, and looks great even in my well-lit garage, and of course super bright outside, super sharp. And again, I got a set of 4 for all 4, so here is my rear passenger side door as well. If we head over to the Tesery.com site, I've got a link to it below specifically to this product. Now it looks like most of the stuff is on sale at Tesery.com right now. And if you happen to find something that is not on sale or your order doesn't qualify for a discount, use my code NOWTESLAFY for 5% off. So it'll get you a little bit of a discount there if you find something you're looking for that is not currently on sale. Lots of accessories here for your Tesla, all sorts of models. I'm going to check out some of their other products as well. But you can see we've got lots of different configurations here. You can choose from just two if you want just the front, or if you want to get a set of 4, which I'd recommend. And then they've got some different designs that you can choose from as well. So if you're simple like me and just want the T logo, you can go that route. Or they've even got some cool colored versions. So if you are looking for a little bit of extra flair, those will probably be pretty sweet as well. You'll see lots of instructions. They take Apple Pay as well, so that makes the checkout process easy. And again, so far I've had a wonderful experience with these guys, and hopefully you do as well. And that will do it for me for this video, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Now Testify.